So you want to download Prison Architect on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to legally download this game on your PC on official platforms without overspending. So what we will do, we will go to our Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. The next step is quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to the next step to download this game on another website. So go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, and search for the game Prison Architect. Then select the game, open the game page and scroll a little bit down. As you can see, this game on Steam is €24.99, but don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. And here we are going to search for the game Prison Architect. Then search for the game. After that, select games on the left side. Sort by price lowest first. And once we scroll down, we will find a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Now once you have found one, then select the game and open the game page. After that, we will find out that we can already download this game for just €6.34 compared to the Steam price of €24.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you can do is purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!